is up, YouTube? It's me, Boss Wheelit. And as you might remember, my last video was Beatbox Parody by KaiXM and DTNO. And he had mentioned in that they made about some trees on DT's known channel, because it was KaiXM, and they posted the video at the same time. That was a while ago. So I decided to also react to About Some Trees since I haven't watched it yet. So before I start it, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, put on post notifications, and comment what you would like to see on my channel. So yeah, now I'm just gonna start the video. Really? It's an ad. Okay, after this ad, then we're gonna react. So just like forget about this. This didn't happen. This is not happening.
Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, D-T. Self-made, self-paid. If you came in ready to be in 8th grade, then we back with another video, baby. If you haven't yet, make sure you like this video, subscribe to your boy. Turn on my post notifications if you haven't already. And don't forget to comment what your favorite part was.
I'm not gonna lie. I've never heard of Once in These. Just so you know that.
100,000 likes, the next YouTube video will be dropping early. Now, some of y'all might already know him, but this video includes a collab with my guy, Kyle X. I'm also featured on the Beatbox Parody Suburban Dad version on his channel, which dropped at the same time as this. So when you finish this video, you gotta check his out. That's a must.
I already did.
Be sure to subscribe to Kyle too. Let's get him to that 5 million, man. And big shout out to Louis Daniels, the Mix Club, and Dejan Gerard for being the first 2 people to like and comment on my last YouTube video. You all are about to watch the Once in These parody, Belts and Trees.
Oh no, it's a switch.
Y'all enjoy. Yeah. Teachers leaving comments, leave me with no options. We're just making progress. Supporters need this content. No cow, I'ma speak up. This kid's about to get stretched. Whooping kids, except he's just a kid. Nonsense. Can't touch me what my mom says. Truth is, I'm fine with that. Mommy, I'm upset. Now it's me and another mother. You should've saved your cheeks, man. Here you go, I found a tree. We know that trees and belts can. Like Kodak, they gon' be saying. Mom always spaz. I dug a car coming. Oh, stop, that was almost a sleeper. The anger is real. The fear of me real. This is the cost of a feature. Don't look at me funny, well, I'm just a teacher. Those are different creatures. Not risking my life, they don't pay enough for one, so I didn't see ya. About 32 millimeters, then they gonna reach us. We should probably fight, yeah, see ya. I'd hate to be ya. We should probably leave where they see me. Oh, please help me, Jesus. But soon as I started, what happened was they wouldn't believe us. Kids. I got kids on my mind and they friends. Got a lot of plans on our mind, but he's my friend. Yeah, I can't just leave a friend behind. My time's up. Worth it for detail, sacrifice. But he missed his chance. It's not my fault he didn't leave in time. Where's your friend? You didn't have a real one by your side. It's life for him. I gotta hurry and make up my mind to begin. I guess I've reached the end of my life. Oh man. Sometimes I'm broke cause you don't have a reason. Before you attack me, my words let me speak them. Don't try to hit them, that fill up, I see it. What we done, we just got from my people. Blame us after now, we reflect what we seeing. Mom, isn't that deep or are you the one digging? My grades aren't slipping, my teachers feel different. That switch ain't no problem, you swing like the little kids. You ain't today, by tomorrow, you still take. How's this not your job when you started the business? Boy, you ain't growing, I fit the description. Can't reach the rim of a week, boy, you spread it. Y'all like to wait too day big for your bridges. Get knocked to what kind of go think that you miss it. I'm dropping kid after kid, I'm just chilling. I'm not just a friend, but we'll play with them switches. The bigger the bats, all the bigger the problems. They sound like pop star. This was a game you bitch once we started. Show you where you came from, let's start from the bottom. Y'all left me no option, at last I'm on it. I know this gon' hurt you, but this hurts me harder. When I hang with my friends, don't think that I'm softer and Kyle. Yes. Back off, that tone is the problem. Don't ask for McDonald's, you ain't got McDonald's. I know they act up, walk around with my guard up. I'm not made of money, yeah, that's still the motto. We know discipline in ways that they ain't thought of. Kids, I got kids on my mind and they friends. Got a lot of plans on our mind, but he's my friend. Yeah, I can't just leave a friend behind. My time's up. Worth it for detail, sacrifice. But he missed his chance. It's not my fault he didn't leave in time. Where's your friend? You didn't have a real one by your side. It's life for him. I gotta hurry and make up my mind to begin. I guess I've reached the end of my life. Oh man. reach the end of my life. Oh man.
They just walk off.
Yo, Kyle, you good? No, bro, you gotta come over my house next time.
They need help. Okay, that is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. I try not to talk too much because I know that can be annoying when you're watching a reaction video. That's why I usually don't watch the reaction videos. So I didn't try to talk too much. If you know what you would like to see, if I'm able to do it, just put it in the comments. And if I'm able to do it, I will try to do it. Subscribe to more of Detained Trunks Plays and Kyle Exum and also DJ. Oh, he just reached 5 million. That's what's up. So, yeah, just don't forget subscribe to me, subscribe to them, and like the video, post notifications, and comment. And I don't know, but yeah, just bye. Have a good day, I guess. Yeah, bye.